Welcome to Lali's Bag YouTube channel where bag making is made easy. In today's video, we'll be making this purse with flap. Alright, let's get started. So the length of our material is 10.5 inches and the breadth is 7.5 inches. Sew your zipper clothes right side facing each other, and after you finish sewing it, you fold it like this and you top stitch it. So after that, we're going to fold it into two like this. Make sure it's well folded, and then we mark out the middle. So now what we do is that from that mark point, we measure 1 inch. So we just mark it, and then we place a magnetic hook. So I'll be using it to make a mark of where to pierce. So we just press it like this, and then I'll be using my piercer to make a hole, and after that you fix the magnetic hook. So this is it. So now I will just insert the washer, and then I will tighten it. So this is what we have. What we'll be doing next is that we'll be sewing the flap. So for the measurement, the length of the flap is 6.5 inches and the length is 4 inches. So I'll fold the material into two like this, and then I'll be using my scissors to just give it a curve. So this is what it looks like. So now I will fold it into two, and then I will just notch the middle. So this is it. What we'll be doing next is that the material also be folded into two, and I will also notch the middle. So I will mark 2 inches from the notched point, and then we'll place the flap, the notch points facing each other, and I'll be pinning it with my office pin, and then stitch. So after I'm done stitching it, what we're doing next is that we'll fold it like this and top stitch. So this is what we have. Now we fold the material, and then we sew the zipper. After that, I already open it up, we fold it like this and top stitch. So this is it. I already fixed my zipper head. You fold it this way, and then we stitch it up. So we also fold this other part like this and stitch. So this is what we have. I'll be turning it to the right side. So this is it. What is left now is that we fold the flap into two, and then I will mark the middle. So we're using this material to cover the flap. So it's 2.5 inches. I will also fold it into two and mark the middle. So after that, we'll place the two mark points together like this, and that we be using the office pin to pin it up. So the other part of our magnetic hook will be placed like this, and then I will cover the purse so that we can get the exact point for the magnetic hook. Now we're using my piercer to pierce the marked place, and after that I will remove the office pin and we'll fix the magnetic hook on this material. Please take note, we are not fixing it to the flap but this extra material. So now we just tighten it. So this is it. So now for the flap, I want to place logo. It's completely optional. We'll mark 1.5 inch, and after that I'll be using this logo to make a mark, and then we'll pierce it. So after I'm done piercing it, we just fix the fancy, and then I will just tighten it like this. So what we do next is that we'll place this. Please take note that the mark point is to face each other. So we place it like this, and then we use our office pin to pin it down. So we stitch it. So now we just trim off the excess. So this is what we have. Our purse is almost ready. So what we'll be doing lastly is that we'll be fixing in our ring that will serve as the handle. Our purse is ready. If you know you learned from this video, do wait to click the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.